What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Alyssa. If you're not, thanks for joining me again. Really good to see your bright, shining face here again. This is my monthly favorites. Let's go. For skincare, I have a couple items. The first is the Elta MD UV Physical Broad Spectrum SPF 41 Tinted Sunscreen. I pulled this out of my collection this past month and I have been loving it. It gives my skin such a nice glow. It's such a pretty tint, but it's like a super light coverage. So I've just been using this as kind of my base and then blending all my other products in, and it gives such a pretty healthy glow while protecting my skin from the sunshine. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. This is the Bioderma wow. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. This is the Bioderma Micellar water. I actually made a whole video reviewing this. I will link it down in the description box below if you guys wanted to check this out. But I've been using this religiously and so obsessed. It takes off every trace of makeup and doesn't strip my skin, so. This is the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion, you guys. I have the driest, crustiest, crackliest skin ever, and this has actually been my saving grace. I picked this up from Target and I have just been slathering this on when my skin's still a little bit damp, and it's made the world of a difference. My skin is glowier, the hydration lasts for a long time, and I am going to be using this like multiple times a day, every day. I love this for my dry, cracky winter skin. For makeup, I have two products. The first is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I usually have been going for like the less expensive brow setters. I've been using the NYX one for a long time, but you guys, this is so worth it. My eyebrows, it's like hairspray, okay? I used it today. They're not going anywhere. They are like glue, exactly where I want them. I'm so obsessed with this, you guys. This is what the brush applicator looks like. If it focuses. It's kind of like a flat mascara brush, and I really love this product. Next, this is something new that I've tried out, and I'm usually not much of like a lip gloss person, but this is the dreamiest lip gloss I've ever tried. This is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Fussy, and I'm wearing it on my lips right now. It's been on for a while, so it's a little faded, but it smells like Starbursts. It's amazing. It also kind of reminds me of like some lip gloss I had when I was a little kid, like Lip Smackers or something. It's just like a very nostalgic scent, but it is such a pretty color. I feel like this is like Your Lips but better. It's a little bit shiny, it's a little bit shimmery, but not too much. It just looks like perfectly done, and it's not sticky at all. It's the perfect lip gloss. If you guys need any gift ideas for your mom or your friend, I say this is such a good item and a perfect gift. Finally, I have a random favorite. That is the Colgate Optic Beauty Radiant toothpaste. Now, did I ever think I would spend $6.99 on a tube of toothpaste? No. Should I have? Probably not. But I'm telling you, the first night I used this, my teeth felt like I had like 38 cavities in every one of my teeth. So sensitive, but the second night and the third night and every time I've used it since, no sensitivity. This has made my teeth sparkle, okay? The lighting in here is so weird. It's a cloudy day, but I'm telling you, I drink coffee, I drink all the things you should probably drink. I mean, not drink if you're trying to have white teeth. I would look into this. The Crest 3D White also has like a fancier one like this that comes in a fancy box, and I gotta say, been loving it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you stuck around till the end of this video, be sure to click that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you want to see more from me, and we'll see you guys next time.